Welcome to Tech Leveler, and have you ever wanted to schedule text message from your iPhone? Whether that's to send weekly reminders or daily reminders, either to friends or family. Well, now it's possible, and I'm going to show you in this quick video here. So first, what you want to do is you want to open Shortcuts. If you don't currently have Shortcuts, it's free within the Apple App Store. Now with Shortcuts up, you want to select Automation here in the middle bottom, and now you'll either have a little tick in the top right hand corner. If you don't see that and yours looks like this, you want to select Create Personal Automation. Now we'll get into making the automation so we can send text messages automatically. Now we have a few different choices here that we can choose from. So we'll select time of day, and then we'll select a time here by selecting this button here, and we'll choose 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then you have a choice between daily, weekly or monthly. We'll select weekly, and then you can select the days that you want the text message to be sent. I'll untick Saturday and Sunday, as I want to send it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And once you're happy with all these settings, when you want to send a text message, you want to select Next in the top right hand corner here. Now on this page, we want to select what we want to do. And as we want to send a text message, we'll select Send Message here. Now in this step, we want to click Message here, and then we want to write in what we want the message to say. This can be whatever you wish. And then once you've finished typing your message, you want to select the recipients here, and either you can enter the phone numbers manually, or you can press this little plus here in the top right hand corner. Then you want to select your contacts that you want to send the automatic message to. You can add as many people as you wish. And once you've added all the people you wish to send the automatic message to, you want to select Done in the top right hand corner here. Now we're all complete here now, so we want to press Next in the top right hand corner. Now this page is letting you know all the information that you've input. So when, and that'll be at 3 o'clock on the weekdays, as we took off Saturday and Sunday. And then what you want it to do is actually what you want the automation to do, and we want to send a message. And then the last option is Ask Before Running. And as this is tabbed on, your iPhone will ask you before it sends the automatic message. However, I prefer to have this tabbed off. When you tab it off, you'll get this automatic message here. Don't ask before running. Whenever this automation is triggered, it will perform actions on your behalf without asking you first. And as we don't want it to, we'll select Don't Ask. And then now you have a second option, Notify When Run. So if you'd like the iPhone to let you know that the automation has run, you can tap this on. Now once you're happy with everything, you can select Done in the top right hand corner here. And this is your automation set up. So it's going to send a text message that you wrote in to the people you've selected at 3 o'clock on weekdays. Now if you ever want to delete this automation, you want to click it and swipe to the left. This will bring up this delete box here, and you want to tap on that, and that'll delete the automation. So that is how to schedule a text message and send it automatically from your iPhone. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.